Hey everybody. So we're going to talk about today, and this is a remake of a previous video. I wanted to clean it up a little bit. I didn't like the sound or the angles very well. And this is a more difficult video to do, especially, from a modesty standpoint, but it's an important thing to discuss. And that is, how do you use the restroom when you're carrying concealed? Specifically, the toilet, where you have to drop your pants. Because I know people who won't do that out in public, or unless they can get in a completely enclosed room, they won't do it. Or I know guys who will draw their gun and set it on the back of the toilet or on top of the toilet paper stand. That's a very bad idea. You could accidentally knock it off. I know one guy who had an accidental discharge. I don't personally know him. I read about him, of course, because that's going to make national news if something like that happens. So how do you safely do it in a way that isn't going to, misrepresent the concealed carry community or yourself, and also in a way that if you do have to move quickly for whatever reason, you can, and all your gear is going to be with you. So I'm going to demonstrate that now. What I do, I'm going to give you a side view. So I've got an H-mag, I've got a micro with my shield, and I've got a K-bar TDI IWB knife sheath that I'm T&Eing right now. What I do is I leave my belt latched, and if you've got loops or whatever holes, put it in the second to last or the last hole. Leave it latched, but enough space that you can unbutton your pants. And then when you drop trowel, keep outward pressure on the belt like that. That's it. Just keep outward pressure on your knees on your belt. And that way your pants stay up, they don't fall to the ground. And you've still got access to your gear, and if you're in a stall, others can't see underneath the stall. I'm holding my hand about a foot above the ground right now, and my belt line is 16 inches above the ground right now, just below my knees. And also I can access my stuff if I need to, like you see in a few movies where guys go searching through the bathroom, kicking in stall doors. I don't know if that's ever happened in real life. I'm sure it has someplace, but it hasn't been caught on video. But that's how I do it, and I hope this is a help to you guys, and stay safe out there.